Namaste. Welcome to day 3 Yoga 30-day challenge. Today's practice is going to be on the bent knee. So you can sit on the bent knee on the ground, or you can sit on the chair doing similar movements. Simply become aware of the body for a moment. Be in the present. Be with yourself. One of the aim of yoga is to be peaceful, to be present in the moment, and that's what we are practicing at the moment. Once you're ready and find yourself onto the mat, in your body, bring your hands onto your knees, and let's remove the morning stiffness by rotating your back front to side to back. This could be done same way on the chair, except your feet would be on the ground flat. Other side. That's good. Back to the center, release. Bring your arms up. Grab your right wrist. Pull the right arm upward and bend to the left. Back to the center. Grab your left wrist. Pull your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the right. Back to the center. Grab your right wrist. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the left. Back to the center. Left wrist. Pulling up, inhale. Exhale to the right. Back to the center. Now interlock your fingers, lifting your arms upwards, stretching all the way. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale back to the center and exhale to the left. Back to the center. Bring the hands down. Rotate your shoulder one time to release any tension. Then bring your right arm up and right hand goes onto the center of the shoulder blades. Then left arm grab the elbow and bend to the left. Back to the center and bring the left hand to the center of the shoulder blades. Grab your left elbow, inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Back to the center, right hand on the center of the shoulder blades. Grab your right elbow, inhale, exhale, bend to the left. And last, inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Back to the center, bring the hands down. Take a long deep breath, and as you breathe out, preparing yourself to be calmer and even more present. Then bring your left hand onto the right thigh or right knee. Right hand go back. Inhale, lift your chest up. And exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center. Bring your right hand onto the left knee. Left hand on the back. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale back to the center. Twist to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Back to the center. And lie down on your back. And lift your right leg on the 90 degree. Grab with your hand. Reach up. Pull your leg towards you. You can hold the thigh if you can't. Lift up all the way, and don't worry if your leg is not 90 degree. You can also bring up to here and give the stretch. As soon as you're feeling stretch is good. Release the leg, change. Left leg goes up 30, 60 or 90 degree. Working onto the back of the legs. Release. Then lift both legs up and do the same. Try to pull your leg towards you. Keep your lower back on the ground. Then bend your knee. Open leg about hip width apart, hands on the ground, and do cycling for core work. Other way around. And then join the sole of the feet together. Drop the legs down, hands onto the thighs. Let's work onto your hips and back, because these two parts that we don't use while we're sitting on a desk or working in office. And stretch your legs and give about 30 seconds to relax yourself and prepare yourself for your daily routine. Take your time. Whenever you're ready, gently sit up and very slowly open your eyes. Our today's practice is completed. Namaste.